Hello, I am Jan Bahadur Singh, Chairperson of Information Systems and Analytics area at IIM Trichy. The Information Systems and Analytics area is one of the leading department of IIM Trichy, known for its research contribution of the faculty members and both PhD students. We have a strong team of 4 faculty members in the area, each with rigorous training from the leading business schools of India. Our faculty members regularly publish in A-star journals like Information and Management, Information and Organization, Information Systems Journal. Our faculty have also contributed popular cases for MBA classroom teaching to the prestigious repositories like Harvard Business School Publishing. During our program, a PhD student in the area is taught major foundational courses in the information systems and analytics area. Our area also offers cutting edge research electives like machine learning for applied research and theory building, seminar on digital product management and e-business, recent development in information systems. These courses introduce students to the current research trends in the field. Our PhD graduates from the IS area have excelled in their academic careers, with alumni now working as faculty at top business schools in India like IIM Calcutta and MICA Ahmedabad. If you are interested in an academic career or a top technology advisory role in the industry, we strongly encourage you to apply to the PhD program in the information systems and analytics area at IIM.
So hi, this is Ashish Vishwanath from the Information Systems and Analytics area at Trichy. So I started working here in the year 2022 after my PhD from IIT Kharagpur. So about this area, this is one of the most dynamic and research-focused area at Trichy. So all the 4 faculty members are extremely research-focused and publishing in some of the top-tier journals in information systems area such as Information and Management and Information Systems journal. So about my research interest, I've been in the past I've been focused on the behavioral aspect of technology use. I've studied phenomena such as user resistance to artificial intelligence, trust in artificial intelligence, and over a period of time, after joining here, I can see my research is mostly shaped by the subjects that I teach, machine learning and digital transformation. So these days, I'm focusing more of my attention towards seeing how emerging technology-based innovations are transforming businesses, organizations, and society at large. So, for example, some of my studies on the digitalization of agricultural value chain in the rural villages of Tamil Nadu. So I can also see that I'm incorporating new methods like machine learning based theory induction, experimental methods in some of my research. So if you are interested in studying how some of these emerging technologies are changing businesses and addressing larger problems in society, I think this is a place where you should be doing a PhD. So I welcome if your the interests are aligning with these themes of solving problems, grander problems in the society by using technology. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishikeshan. I'm a faculty member in the Information Systems and Analytics area at Trichy. My philosophy as an academic is inspired by leading scholars in the field, wherein I attempt to balance research, teaching, and societal impact. The core area of my research is called digital social innovations. Specifically, I work on research topics like the impact of digital technologies on rural education, rural artisanship, and rural agriculture. Recently, I completed a project called Technoficing, wherein I talk about how simple information technologies can have a great impact on the productivity of farmers. More recently, I'm working with my executive doctoral student on a research topic known as impact sourcing. Here we talk about how software IT jobs, which are usually for elite urban public, how can it be taken to rural underprivileged students and help them grow in their life in both socially and economically. Thank you.
Hello, I am Gopinath, Assistant Professor in the Information Systems and Analytics area at IIM Trichy. My current and future research interest focuses on 3 broad areas of information systems, namely technology, process, and applications. Firstly, the organizations are now embracing the Web 3.0 technologies such as blockchain, metaverse, artificial intelligence, and the virtual reality. I would like to explore the affordances that these technologies could bring in to solve the organizational and societal problems. Further, I would like to explore the adoption of these technologies and the effective use of these technologies by the organizations. My second research theme focuses on the process management is motivated by my past work experience in IT industry. The organizations are navigating to the future through the digital transformations. The IT service management processes that integrates the agile project development methodologies, DevOps, and the cyber securities are enabling the organizations to successfully transform their business processes through digital means. My third research theme would focus on the applications. Here, the intent is to bridge the teaching and my research. The e-commerce sector in India is looking for the fabulous transformation. We are moving from e-commerce platform to the open network. I would like to explore how this open network could enable or bring the visibility and the availability of the merchants, including the kiranas, across the platforms. And the e-commerce platform is also witnessing the emergence of various technologies such as social commerce, live streaming commerce, and metaverse commerce and omni-channel commerce. How are these technologies are going to shape the future of e-commerce is another area that I would like to explore on. Thank you.